Factoring is used to find answers by breaking up algebraic expressions and equations. Therefore, factoring involves division without a remainder. Because factoring is division, after we factor, we can always return to the original expression using the inverse of division, multiplication. The factors of numbers are always smaller than the numbers. For example, if we divide 6 by 2, we get 3, and 6 divided by 3, we get 2. Therefore, the factors of 6 are 2 and 3. Finding all the factors of a number is called prime factorization. Divide the number by each prime number starting with the number 2 until you can't divide again without a remainder or decimal. For example, find all the factors of 54. The first prime number is 2. Divide 54 by 2. You get 27. 27 cannot be divided by 2. So divide by 3. You get 9. Divide 9 by 3 to get 3. Because 3 is a prime, stop. Answer: the factors of 54 are 2 times 3 times 3 times 3, or 2 times 3 cubed. Another example: factor 18 plus 36 plus 54 completely. The prime factorization of 18 is 2, 3, and 3. The prime factorization of 36 is 2, 2, 3, and 3. The prime factorization of 54 is 2, 3, 3, and 3. 2 is common to all three numbers once. 3 is common to all three numbers twice. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 18 is the largest common factor of 18, 36, and 54. Because the highest common factor for all three numbers is 18, the expression 18 plus 36 plus 54 can be factored into 18 times 1 plus 2 plus 3 by dividing 18 by 18, 36 by 18, and 54 by 18. 18 has been factored to show that 18 plus 36 plus 54 can also be written as the product of 18 times 1 plus 2 plus 3. In algebra, factoring works the same way, except this time with numbers and symbols. For example, factor 18a cubed plus 36a squared plus 54a completely. The factors of 18a cubed are 1, 2, 2 3's, and 3 a's. The factors of 36a squared are 2 2's, 2 3's, and 2 a's. The factors of 54a are 1 2, 3 3's, and 1 a. Common in all three terms we find 1 2, 2 3's, and 1 a. 2 times 3 times 3 times a equals 18a. Because the highest common factor for all three numbers is 18a, the expression can be factored into 18a times a squared plus 2a plus 3. By dividing 18a cubed by 18a, we get a squared. By dividing 36a squared by 18a, we get 2a. And by dividing 54a by 18a, we get 3. 18a has been factored to show that 18a cubed plus 36a squared plus 54a can also be written as the product of 18a times a squared plus 2a plus 3. Another example. Factor completely. The common coefficient found in 4, 6, 14, and 2 is 2. The common base found is x. The common exponent found is 2. The common factor is then 2x squared. By dividing each term of the expression by 2x squared, 4x to the 6 becomes 2x to the 4. 6x to the 4 becomes 3x squared. 14x to the third becomes 7x, and 2x squared becomes 1. The answer is 2x squared times 2x to the 4 plus 3x squared minus 7x plus 1. We can always go back to the original polynomial by multiplying 2x squared by the expression inside the parentheses.